In case you are not aware, on the week of April 4th until the 7th, IBM will be conducting the Master Skills University. It's going to be virtual this time, and this is the section that you might be probably more interested in this channel, which is the QReader one. What I like about this session, I have participated into several in the previous years, is that IBM takes developers. These are not marketing people, no, these are developers, actual developers that come and talk about specific topics. And they are very good. I always learn from these fellows. So I just want to make sure that I don't think that this is definitely free. I don't see anywhere that it says that there's any charge of it, especially being virtual. But if you want to, raise the bar of your QReader skills, this might be an event that you may not want to miss. Now, for registration, I will do two things. I'm going to put in the video description of this video, I'm going to put the link that I get when I click into this register. This is a PDF. We can actually see here the name of the actual PDF, and I'm going to put that PDF in the public box folder. The link is also going to be in the video description, and when you go there, the most recent folder is going to be Master Skill 2022, and in there you'll find a PDF in which you can download it and click on the link, just in case that one of the two things do not work for you. Look forward to you to consider participating into this event. I can assure you, you will not waste your time in it. There's no waste in the sessions, and you can actually tailor specifically the way that you want.